This is the 11th part of the sverchok selection tutorial. I will use the sverchok base node to implement the select mirror function. Again, this feature is available in Blender. It selects mirror vertices based on a plane. In object editing mode, select some vertices. Use the select mirror function. This will select the corresponding mirror vertex. Set different axes of the plane to select different vertices. Next, we go back to sverchok to implement this function. Again, using sphere as an example geometry. First, we use the list input node to specify some vertex indexes. The list item node can get the corresponding vertex data according to the index. Mirror mk2 node can mirror the input vertices. Here, we use the matrix to determine the mirroring plane. At this point, we get the mirrored vertex data. Based on the mirrored vertices, we can use select mesh elements to get the vertices at the same position in the original data. Node using by center and radius mode. Set the mirror vertex input center and radius to a smaller value. In this way, we get the mask of the original object. Setting different mirror planes gives us different mirror vertices. Finally, use the group function to pack the nodes. Refer to the parameters in Blender and use the face normals to determine the mirror plane. Modify the order and name of the group input and output parameters. Thus, we get a select mirror node.